I've always wanted a pen display and wow, this is unexpected. xppen reached out to me and sent me their new xppen Artist 22 2nd generation pen display to review for you guys. This is my first review and unboxing video, by the way. Man, I never thought I'd get a pen display to review. This is like a dream come true and this thing is huge. This is awesome. This display boasts a 21.5-inch screen size, perfect for all your creative endeavors. With its 1080 resolution, you'll experience crisp and vibrant visuals. It offers a wide range of viewing angles from 16 to 90 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect position for your work. Now let's see what's included in the box. First, we have a PA6 battery-free stylus with 8 pen nibs, offering you a natural and customizable drawing experience. Then we have a black drawing glove, perfect for reducing friction while working on the display. Here we have a cover designed to protect the cable entries on the back of the display, ensuring they stay safe and secure. Don't worry about getting started, we got you covered with a quick guide that will walk you through the setup process. And of course, we provide a comprehensive warranty policy to give you peace of mind. We have an HDMI cable for seamless display connection. Next up, we have a USB-A to USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-C cable, providing you with multiple connectivity options. Alongside that, power adapter along with both American and European power ports, ensuring compatibility wherever you are. Once you have everything unboxed, the next step is to try my adapted Cat LC Alice on Krita for the first time.